Okay, I'm gonna go and grab one of the horses and go ride them bareback. Because why not? For them. Because, yeah. Hello, horsies. What? No one's in there. Darn it. I found them. I'm gonna come you. Which one of you will be my victim? What's an apple? Come here. No, don't run away. You get her. Here. Apple? Come here. You know you want an apple. Come here. Come on. Hey, you're here. I'll give you an apple because you're being a good boy. Come on. Here. Okay. Not successful. Come here, Dallas. Don't step on my bridle, dummy. Okay, this was my victim apparently. Oops, I forgot to buckle that. We're ready to ride.